Hi everyone, myself Aishwarya GS, 4MS20 MCA61 from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Today in this session I am going to explain about the BAN company in ERP. BAN is a vendor of ERP software that is now owned by Infor Global Solutions. It is also known as the name of the ERP product created by this company. It is a leading global provider of ERP business software, and it also offers a best portfolio applications for corporate office and office automation system. These BAN applications are in use up to 7,000 customers worldwide, and also using this BAN company products, it reduces cost, improves business faster, and more flexible in implementing the changes that is needed. Through this application, it supports the manufacturing department, different offers, and many scenarios like that. That is making the product using raw material to assemble it, rearrange it, and also all the things are done through the help of this BAN applications. Next one is to bring ERP into picture. We want to take some steps to do that. First one is to manufacture that product. It firstly takes what would be the MRP for that product that we are going to manufacture, and also to analyze and the capabilities of that product. It also manages production and supply control for repetitive manufacturing. Next one is the distribution. It is the next step after the manufacturing. That is where we are going to improve our product like sales, purchasing, order processing, taking the margin of sales, and also the administrating capabilities. These are all the main concept behind the distribution. And the next one is transportation. When an order has been done, transportation provides route, manage order, maintenance, and packaging. Through BAN module, we can easily communicate with clients and sub coordinate to supply the product. These are all the things that BAN company will going to provide us regarding distribution and transportation. The next one, the major thing is the finance. Before we are going to manufacture a product, we are going to aff- asset some finance to that product. It mainly maintains ledger, assets of the ERP, accounts payable and receivable capabilities. It can also be said as an integrated portion of a complete BAN solution. Before going to product manufacturing, we are going to asset some finance to that uh, product. What are all the assets we are going to get profit or loss from that product? We are going to make a ledger on that product. Next one is the service. With respect to how BAN gives support to that product, mainly BAN offers installation and service, etc. Mainly we are going for example, when we are getting a two-wheeler vehicle nearby our home, we mainly consider what are all the service that we are going to get from that product. Like for example, what are all the maintenance charge, and also how we are getting the service from that product, how they are giving us a support for that product. Wha- all the things we consider in this service component. The next one is project. This is supported when large manufacturing like industries through all stages from manufacture till delivery. Throughout the period, it supports ERP. When a BAN company BAN module, it supports when large industries were going to affect on that, and the hybrid environments we are going to get from that BAN product projects. Next one is the processing. Processing mainly delivers the key functionalities required for process manufacturers, including formulation and co-product, byproduct management, fully integrated with discrete ERP for hybrid environments. Mainly, it process the co-product and byproduct we are getting from that respective product we are going to manufacture. Next one is bank tools. uh, Tools that we are provide to end users, that is to modify or changes in that implementing in that product. All ban applications are developed with ban tools, which is also available as a separate development product. Bank supports customers that before the sale of that product, what is the condition, and after the sales of that product, what are all the changes we have gone through, that grows the network of the ERP, and we can maintain that same in all the upcoming products. Next one is ban modules. In this section, we are going to learn what are the applications that are need to fulfill all the applications we are going to implement on that ERP. It mainly consists of manufacturing, finance, project, and distribution. First one is manufacturing. Uh, I have said that manufacturing is the main thing where we are going to speed our product and quantity of that product and give a definite shape to the product when we expose that product into the market, and we are going to rearrange the product when it is in the market, and what are all the strategies we are going to impose our products into the market when it is in stock to the market. It mainly affects on the what are the hours we are going to manufacture for a single product, and control manufacturing, and material, what are the raw material we are going to get to manufacture the product, and what is the capacity for one product to manufacture. These are all the things that are going to be considered when manufacturing a product. The next one is the finance. When a product is going to be effective, first the main thing is to finance what we are budgeting on that product and what we are gaining from that product. That has to be considered when the company is going to build an ERP for that product, and it delivers, and it should be at it should deliver a high level of financial transaction capability. That product has to be gained. Next one is a project. If a business executes customized projects for customers, comprehensive project control is undoubtedly fundamental to its profitability. BAN project manages all the aspects of the project and contracts, providing visibility for all project activities and helping to ensure that delivery dates are met. With BAN project, the companies have the control needed to meet promised delivery dates and cost targets for even most complex projects. When an product has to be delivered within that time, this project has to be done within that the specified time, and it should manage all the uh, above said qualifications, that is manufacturing, finance, all the things it should fulfill in the these are the things we are going to consider to build an ERP with the help of bank company. It mainly supports all the departments when an ERP is going to be held. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.